Hello, fellow bodegans. Last week I shared a photo of my trading desk setup, which comprised of 8 monitors, my captured cell phone and laptop not included. Why do I need so many screens, you ask? Two reasons. One, quite frankly, I'm lazy and would rather shift my eyes rather than minimize and maximize so many windows. Second, there are real-time scan results that I need to copy and paste to certain watch lists. They identify stocks and options that are moving. But before I share those screens in this video, let me begin with the disclaimer. We are not an investment advisor, financial planner, or registered broker. We publish impersonal trading educational materials for active traders. You accept all liability of any kind resulting from your trading decisions. No profitability nor performance claims are being made. The past performance of any trading system or methodology is not necessarily indicative of future results. Trading involves high risk and you can lose a lot of money. You hereby agree to not make any actual trades nor trading related decisions based on the information presented herein. All information is for educational use only. No advice nor recommendations for what to buy, sell, nor hold are being provided. So let's begin. Let's go to our multi-chart indices window. This provides a picture of the broader trend of the market using certain ETFs. For example, I can clearly see that the bond market, represented here by TLT, an ETF for the 20-year Treasury bond, formed a double top in April and July of 2020 and has since been trending downwards with a possible target of 130, the horizontal trend line right below current price. In a recent video, I had a target of 400 for the SPYs. It came within 2 points of that and reversed. If we can't stay above 392, I see lower targets of 382 to 380. If that gets breached, we're looking at 370. We are likely to be in the 380 to 395 range until rising interest rate fears subside. Because the market has become addicted to low interest rates and the Fed has been accommodating, I don't see any wholesale selling anytime soon, just sector rotation. As the saying goes, never fight the Fed. While I do feel that markets seem extended up here and that bonds have been flashing a warning, I am reminded of the Keynesian warning that markets can remain irrational longer than you can remain solvent. With that said, let's move on to the multi-tab option chain for spider puts. This highlights the near strikes of the weekly SPY put options. Similarly, the option chain calls for SPYs highlights the weeklies of SPY calls. That's screen number 3. I monitor and scan these options for directional day trades and market reversal alarms. These two screens are never minimized. I can see options volume coming into SPYs in real time. The scans let me know which calls up or puts are being traded with volume. Let's go to screen number 4. These are my multi-charts of stocks. There are 11 tabs. Why 11 tabs? Well, because I get to put as many as 66 different symbols on between the 11 tabs, filled mostly with pre-market candidates and current holdings. So this allows me to maybe day trade these names and see what is happening based on the different time frames. Each chart allows me to switch between time frames, and so I can see exactly what's happening in each individual stock, and I can shift between the tabs to see other candidates or other holdings that I have. Screen number 5 takes me to the multi-time frame for an individual stock or ETF. So this is a window with multi-time frames, but of an individual stock, and it allows me to see what's happening in that stock on a multi-time frame basis. So I can see the weekly, the daily, the hourly, 15-minute, 10-minute, and the 2-minute. Okay. Screen number 6, which is my multi-scans window. Let's go there. Multi-scans window. This allows me to screen for gap ups, bullish kickers, and unusual options activity. So I have a daily scan of unusual options activity, and I list those and then take advantage of those when certain parameters are met. So easily I can see what's gapped up, what has a bullish kicker, which of stocks have a certain pattern, whether it's bullish kicker, whether it's a bullish reversal or bearish reversal, and then these are based on certain watch lists that I put together either every morning or the night before. Okay. Screen number 7 is my options trade candidates. Okay, this is blank now. Usually what I do with this is every morning between 9:30 and 10, this options watch list gets filled in by certain option scans that I do, and then this watch list gets further scanned for unusual activity. So volume above average, price moving up, and they go into different categories, and once they make it to the bottom of the list, those become candidates for what I could be day trading, either on a day trade basis or on a swing basis. So this is a important screen for me because I'm always looking for unusual options activity, and this allows me to see it in real time. Okay. Now, screen number 8 is my browser and workspace for emails, spreadsheets, and documents. Can't show you that screen right now because I'm actually recording from that screen. But however, I use that screen in order to work on spreadsheets, or maybe there's a document I'm working on, or just reading my emails and answering emails. And then, of course, that screen also displays my proprietary screen, my proprietary indicator that I do minimize and maximize, because I actually never really ever let anyone see that. It is designed to highlight strong buyer seller interest in an underlying, as measured by the size of the move and volume. So I usually take a look at that before I actually do a trade, to make sure that those parameters are being met. Okay. I hope you have enjoyed seeing my screens. Hopefully they give you some inspiration for your own setup. And so until next time, I wish all of my fellow bodegans a profitable trading week. Stay blessed.